In this video, I'm going to show you everything without knowledge, whether you have not run Facebook ads before or you are running, you are an expert. And the advantage of running WhatsApp ad directly from your Facebook, that number one, people are not going to get access to comment on your advert. Some people, when you run adverts, they will be the one to come and be posting their link, while the money you spend for your advert. So let's go to the Facebook and show you what I'm talking about. So if you come to the Facebook now, this is the introduction of the course, how I discovered this thing and it helped me. You can see this thing now. So let's check an advert. So this, you can scale up this. Let's look for an advert. You can see this sponsor, this company here. Now there's no comment on this one, so this one is sponsor advert. Let's scroll down. You can see this one now, work from home job. You can see this one now, it has about 483 likes and 74 comments and 15 shares. So let's look at the comment section here. Somebody here is saying preschool and declare. You can see now, see the comment here. But if you run on Facebook, if you run from WhatsApp to Facebook now, you are not going to see those comments. And when somebody click on it, it's going to take the person directly to your WhatsApp. Let's look on another advert on Facebook here. So this is the way. You can see this one now. This is another advert now. If you click on the comment, it has 5 comments. You can see the comment. The Yoruba do not say their land anymore. You can see the comment here. You can see this person is currently using you can see now, this person spend money for this particular advert, and this guy here is sharing the link. So the good part of this thing is that when you run this thing, you are going to see the analysis of your advert in the Facebook app called Meta. I'm going to show you in my next video. So if you are running an advert and you are not getting results, this course is for you. And if you are an expert, this course is also for you. You can see this guy got 697 comments on the advert. But if you run on Facebook, you are not going to see that thing. And once somebody click on it, it's going to take the person directly to your WhatsApp. Most people, if they see advert like this, they will not come. But anybody that click on the one that you run through using WhatsApp app, it's going to take the person directly to your course. So now, what you have been needing now is, this is just an introduction of it. I'm going to show you the one I have run successful and get the result. You can see, let's see the comment on this particular advert here. This guy here, you can see now, you can see do the training for free now if you have made 3 million. You can see comment now. This can make people, they will not just come to your advert if you give access to comment. But if you run directly from your WhatsApp, they are not going to see the picture here. You can see this one now here. Everybody just they lie for this country. You can see why this guy is, what he's saying is true. You understand? So now, what you are going to need before you can run the WhatsApp ad directly for your Facebook without using Facebook app. This is what I've been doing and it worked out for me. So before you can run advert, have what you call page, and you cannot just run adverts on Facebook using your page. You must get 100 like and 100 followers. But in this course, I will show you exactly how I use WhatsApp app to run Facebook advert, and it show on Facebook and Instagram. The good part is that it's going to show on Instagram and Facebook. But there's an app called WhatsApp Business. We are not using WhatsApp Messenger. So if you go to Play Store now, search for WhatsApp Business, not WhatsApp Messenger. That's the app we are going to use. Search for WhatsApp Business. WhatsApp Business. So this is the particular app here. So this is the app we are needing, not WhatsApp Messenger. So you are going to create a new Facebook profile. If you have one, still create another one, because WhatsApp might reject your advert, or Facebook might flag off your account. That's why in most cases, if you create 2 Facebook profile, not Facebook page, If they reject that one, you are going to use another one. So that's the things you are going to be needing for this course. So after creating another Facebook profile, you will definitely have access to run in case if they reject. So now let me quickly show you the successful advert I run using a WhatsApp business app to Facebook. So now let me show you here. Let me quickly show you the advert I run, and I got the result. This is the advert, and the good part of this is that you can set up to 10 adverts at once. But remember, they are going to review your advert. See this guy here, he got on the May 30th, and he got a 23 chat. He got 23 chat for this advert. So now the second advert, it was May 29, he got 33 chat received, and he spent only 898 naira. This first one he spent 895 naira. He got 23 chat. The second one was the same May. This one was received, and it was completed. You can see the second advert here. You can see the analysis. You can see this analysis inside your own WhatsApp business app, how your advert is going. This one reached to 918 people, and he got 17 messages here. He got 17 messages, and it was completed. He spent 900 naira, and it was a day. You can see here, it was a day. It was a day advert. You can see the other one here. Down here, this advert reached out to 981 people, and he got 23 messages, and the advert was completed. The one here, this one reached to 928 people, and he got 33 messages. It was a day advert. He spent only 900 naira. So in this course, you are going to get value. Even though you have not run advert before, this course is going to help you to run advert directly from your WhatsApp business to your app. This one he spent only 721 naira, and it was a day. He got 20 messages, and the advert reached out to 543 people. So this is a profitable way, and it's a bypass. Before you can run Facebook, they must ask you some questions to verify most of the things. So let me show you another one. How if you run this advert. This one too is one of my students. This is what we have been doing. I'm going to show you everything. If you can follow me till the end of this video, you can see I'm going to show you everything here. One of my students here, I told him to screenshot and send to me. You can see here. See, this one is running even today. You see, he's running this one. He got this particular advert reached to 1,906 people, and he got 52 messages. You can see he's ending today, and he spent 721 naira per day. He's running for 4 days, and it's currently going on. You can see you see what I'm telling you now. If you look, this is his advert. He said, learn exactly how he landed my 6-figure work from home remote job, even as a newbie online. You can see this one now. You can see what I'm talking about. You can see this is how the preview of the advert. WhatsApp is going to show you exactly how your advert is going to show on Instagram and on Facebook. You can see on top here, you can see Facebook. If you click here, because it's a screenshot, if you click here, you can see how it's going to appear on Instagram. It's going to show you how it will appear on Instagram. So now this is how it's going to appear on Facebook. People on Facebook are going to see only like here, and they are going to see only share, whether they will like or they will share. So this is the advantage of running this thing. So in my next video now, I am going to show you how you can set up everything from A to Z.